Ito na siya guys, no? Ito na yung ating Union Bank Rewards Credit Card na in-applyan natin online dito sa video na to, no? So pinakita natin yung step by step ng pag-apply for this credit card. And ngayon, dumating na, natanggap na natin itong credit card na to. At syempre, i-unbox natin, no? Papakita natin ano yung details, ano ba yung mga benefits ng credit cards na to, at iba ba mga tips and mga kailangan yung gawin upon receiving your new credit card. So mapapansin nyo guys, bukas na siya. No? Siyempre, binuksan ko na siya. Alangan naman mauna pa kayo makita yung details nito. Di ba? Siyempre, dapat mas mauna ako. Di ba? Pero siyempre, i-share ko sa inyo yung details. No? I-share ko sa inyo ano ba makikita nyo dito sa ating envelope na makukuha pagdating sa nakuha na natin yung ating credit cards from Union Bank. So I think mabilis lang, mga 5 working days lang yung inabot, no, from the day na na-approve tayo doon sa credit card natin. Around mga 5 days or 1 week, no, natanggap na natin tong mail na naglalaman ng ating credit card. So sa mga nagtatanong anong courier yung gamit ng Union Bank, unfortunately hindi ko na maalala. Ano nga bang courier yun? Medyo nakalimutan ko na. Ang alam ko naman kasi minsan iba-iba naman ang ginagamit ng bangko, no? Na courier, no? So ano pang hinihintay natin guys, no? So tignan na natin yung details ng credit card na to. Tignan natin yung credit card mismo and iba pang mga detalye. Oh, pero syempre, bago natin tignan, di ba? Kung hindi ka pa subscribe, pag-subscribe ka na, no? Click mo na yung subscribe button and of course, the bell icon para ma-notify ka pag may mga bagong videos. Actually guys, this credit card, the Union Bank's Rewards Visa, is actually the Citibank Rewards, no? So kung maalala nyo nga, nung in-acquire ni Union Bank yung consumer business ni Citibank, syempre yung mga credit cards ni Citibank na acquired din ni Union Bank. So nirebrand niya yon into Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Ang kinaganda, if I'm not mistaken, no, niretain lang ni Union Bank yung mga feature ng credit cards ni Citibank. So talagang okay pa din yung feature nung nag-rebrand na siya. Dati kasi meron akong Citibank Rewards Credit Card. Okay, so dalawa yung Citibank ko. Meron akong nung Mercury and then meron ako nung Citi Rewards Credit Card. Ngayon nga lang, yung Citi Rewards ko kasi hindi nag-i-increase yung credit card limit for some reason, okay? And ang Citibank credit cards kasi is joint yung kanyang credit card limit. So regardless kahit gano'ng karaming credit cards meron ka sa Citibank, so iisa lang yung credit card limit niya. So yung Mercury Drug kasi talaga nagagamit ko since meron akong sakit. So bumibili ako ng gamot palagi sa Mercury. So very useful para sa akin yung credit card na yun. Eh, hindi ko mahahanapan ng masyadong dahilan bakit ko gagamitin si Citibank Rewards, no? Kasi nga, nagbabayad ako ng annual fee for the same amount of credit card limit. Tapos, hindi nag-i-increase masyado. So, I decided na ipa-cancel na lang yung card na yon. And lo and behold, ito, meron na tayong bagong Union Bank Rewards. So balik loob tayo dito sa credit card na to. Pero syempre, isa sa mga dahilan bakit tayo nag-apply for this specific credit card is para mapakita sa inyo, no, paano mag-apply online ng Union Bank credit cards. At kinagandahan dito sa credit card na to, sa ngayon is meron siyang promo na no annual fee for life kapag nakapag-spend ka ng 20,000 pesos within 60 days from, I think, credit card approval or upon receiving the credit card. So, ano pang hinihintay natin, no? Tignan natin yung loob, no? Syempre, dito natin makikita, no, ano ba yung details ng ating credit card. So, makikita natin yung ating credit card limit, okay? So, hindi ko na ipapakita, syempre, sa inyo, no? Kasi, nandito yung ating mga very personal details like yung credit card number at iba pang mga details ng ating credit card. But our credit limit is 140,000 pesos for this particular credit card. Okay, so basically parang sinundan lang din naman niya yung ibang Union Bank credit cards natin. Meron akong Union Bank credit card sa medyo malaki na yung credit limit, yung aking platinum card na Union Bank. Ang problema nga lang, yung isang credit card ko pa sa Union Bank, hindi pa ganun kataas. So, most probably, parang dun niya binase yung credit card limit na binigay sa atin for this credit card. Kasi syempre, platinum card yung isa, so definitely, dapat yun yung pinakamataas, di ba, na credit card limit, okay? So, dito makikita rin natin cash advance limit, okay? So, your cash advance limit may vary from time to time, okay? So, nagbabari pala yung cash advance limit, okay? So, ngayon ko lang nalaman din yun. So, marami tayong natututunan everyday, no? So, check your cash advance limit at any ATM nationwide, okay? No cash advance PIN yet. Log on to Union Bank online app and go to card settings to create one. So, For this one, ikaw na mismo magke-create ng cash advance pin mo. Okay, so before kasi talagang dinideliver pa yan, hiwalay dun sa credit card mo, no? So nakaano pa yan yung parang alam niyo yung parang carbon copy na nakatago, so yung 6-digit na cash advance pin. So ganun before, no? So ngayon, ikaw na mag-denominate ng cash advance pin mo, okay? So hindi ako masyadong aware dyan, no? Kasi hindi ako gumagamit talaga ng cash advance. Yung ating statement cut-off date is every 8th of the month, okay? So okay naman. So makikita rin natin dito may nakalagay na discover the unbelievable benefits of the Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Okay, so basically ito yung features nitong credit card na to. So kung di pa kayo aware at plano nyo rin mag-apply, okay, ito yung mga features ng credit card na to. So number 1, get 1 never expiring points for every 30 pesos spend, okay? So that is for any kind of spending, okay? But if ang spending mo is shopping and dining both local and abroad, you will get 3 times points. So parang ang dating is 1 point for every 10 pesos spending na lang yun. Then you can use your points to redeem cash credits, merchandise, gadgets, and more. So redeem anytime, anywhere. Sa Union Bank app, makikita nyo yan. So pag tinap nyo yung credit card nyo sa Union Bank app, makikita nyo doon yung points ninyo, and then nandun na rin yung link to the rewards page ng Union Bank. Pwede na kayo mag-redeem doon directly. Actually, in my opinion, isa ang Union Bank app, mobile app, no, sa pinaka magandang mobile app ng mga banks. Although, personal opinion ko yun, hindi ko alam kung ano yung better sa inyo. But yun kasi ang dami niyang feature din, katulad nga nun, yung rewards. Tapos pag nagbayad ka through Union Bank mobile app, real time din, no, talagang pasok na agad yung payment mo at pwede mo na ulit gamitin yung credit card mo. Although marami tayo naririnig na complaints, no, when it comes to customer service ng Union Bank. So hopefully yan yung kanila ma-improve pa in the future para syempre, no, mas maging better yung kanilang services. So it says here, no, welcome to a world of unbelievable benefits. Thank you for choosing Union Bank. We're happy to present your new Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. Okay? So to find out more about your card benefits and privileges, visit this link. Okay, so basically lahat naman ng credit cards, no, kapag nakatanggap ka nung first time mo natanggap yung card mo, talaga may mga gantong letters, no. So actually ang inaasahan ko pa nga meron pa mga pa-freebies, no. Meron kasi ako mga na-experience na gano'n, no, like if I'm not mistaken sa BDO, sa BPI, I think sa RCBC din, meron mga kasamang para mga promotions. Actually, nandito na nga rin yung instruction, no, nung redeem rewards easily, no. Your Union Bank credit card offers unbelievable rewards accessible through Union Bank online. Okay, so redeem shopping, dining vouchers, free flights, cash credits, and annual fee waiver instantly. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-login, piliin mo yung card mo where kung saan ka magre-redeem ng points. Then scroll down to the rewards section and tap redeem. So from there, pwede ka na mamili nung reward na gusto mong i-redeem. Sa Union Bank mobile application, huwag kayong malilito kapag let's say for example na open nyo na yung inyong virtual card, no, by using the reference number ng inyong application. After a few moment or after a few days, may isa pang lalabas na parang account doon, okay? So for Union Bank Rewards, I think it's navy blue. Navy blue, both yun sa virtual card. Tapos yung isa, that is your actual card. So iba nalilito dyan bakit parang dalawa yung credit card na na-approve sa akin. So basically, same credit card din yun, magkaiba lang ng purpose kasi yung, syempre yung inyong virtual card is for online purchases only, and then yung actual card ninyo is yun talaga yung card details. So ano pa yung ibang mga uses nitong credit card na to, no? So may exclusive discounts, okay, alam naman na natin yan, yung mga credit cards natin, iba-iba nag-o-offer ng discounts, freebies or vouchers sa iba't ibang mga merchants. So get lost in the insane amount of discounts, perks, and freebies in restaurant, shopping, leisure, and service outlet nationwide. Isa pang gamit nitong credit card na to is the pay bill. Conveniently manage and pay your monthly bills into one due date with pay bill. So the auto charge feature available in top utility partners of your Union Bank credit card. So basically, ito yung feature ng isang credit card wherein i-enroll mo yung inyong mga utility bill para once mag-generate na ng statement of account, yung bill na yon is automatically babayaran na yun ng credit card ninyo. With PayEasy naman, no, Union Bank Credit Cards Installment Program, enjoy life streets with easy payment plans up to 36 months at 0% interest at 7 plus in-store merchant nationwide. So basically, ito yung mga makikita ninyo na pag pumunta kayo sa mga mall at meron silang nakalagay nag-accept, we accept major credit cards, tapos nandun yung Union Bank credit cards, no? Nakalagay 0% interest for 12 months or for 24 months or something like that. So ito yon, no? So meron silang 7,000 plus in-store merchants na partners. O so ano pang hinihintay natin, no? Tignan na natin yung loob, no? Yung ating credit card. So makikita natin dito, no, nandito yung ating credit card, and of course yung mga details, no, nung ating credit card, katulad ng credit card limit, cash advance limit, statement date, and ito na siya. Okay? So this is the Union Bank rewards credit card. So I actually like the color, no, navy blue. It's actually my favorite color, no, kung hindi na itatanong. Okay? So makikita natin sa front ng credit card is just our name. Of course, nandyan yung ating Visa Platinum nakalagay, the rewards. So wala masyadong details sa harap, no? Unlike yung mga normal credit card, yung credit card number nasa harap, yung mga expiry date ng credit card mo nasa harap. For this credit card, very plain, no? Yung name mo lang talaga yung nakalagay sa harap. Okay? Which is, I think, a much more modern design. If I'm not mistaken, yung Citi Rewards credit card na meron ako before is also blue. Okay? So, well, mostly ng credit cards naman ng Citibank is blue. Pagdating naman sa likod ng credit cards, eto, nandito yung most ng details ng credit card mo. So, nandito yung credit card number, nandito yung iyong expiry date, yung iyong pangalan, nandito rin, at yung iyong CVV number. Okay? So, basically, yung likod ng credit card mo yung pinaka-importante, okay? So, kasi nandyan lahat ng details, no? The only downside lang na nakikita ko dito sa ganitong klase ng style ng credit card, unlike before kasi, ang nasa harap is credit card number, full name, and yung expiry date, wala yung CVV. So, kung pag na-picturean yung harap ng credit card mo, let's say for example, nakapyawan lang, like sa video o kung saan man, nakita yung harap ng credit card mo, no? So, hindi siya complete kasi yung CVV nasa likod. Okay? So, ganun din kapag yung likod yung nakita, no? CVV lang yun nandun. Okay? At walang ibang details like card number, expiry date, etc. etc. Downside of this credit card, in my opinion, is nandito lahat sa likod ng details mo. So, kapag itong likod ng credit card mo is yung na-expose, then pwede talagang magamit, no? Pwede talagang makuha lahat ng details na meron ka. Kasi ito na yung details na lahat na kailangan mo, lalo na kung online transactions, ito lang yun. Although good thing, meron pa rin naman kasi tayong mga layer of security like OTP at iba-iba pang mga security features ng credit card, no? Pero that's just my opinion, no, pagdating dito sa ganitong klaseng style ng credit card. But I really like the design, no? It's very modern. I like the color as I've said, no? Tapos yung gilid niya, kung makikita ninyo, yung gilid niya is orange. So, napakaganda, no? It represents Union Bank. Another security feature na dapat talaga gagawin ninyo, no? Kapag pagkakuha ng credit card is yung likod, merong signature panel dyan, okay? So, pirmahan nyo na agad yan, no? Kasi yan is the proof na ikaw talaga yung nagmamayari ng credit card. Then the next thing, after nyong pirmahan yung likod is, of course, pwede nyo nang i-activate yung credit card niyo kung gusto nyo nang gamitin, okay? So, ang pag-activate naman ng credit card ng Union Bank, pwede na sa Union Bank online app. So, sabi ko nga, kaya nga isa sa pinaka-useful talaga yung online app ng Union Bank na yan. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan tumawag, okay? Kasi sabi nga nila, 'di ba, ang customer service ng Union Bank ay napakahirap kontakin. So, kaya kung mag-activate ka lang naman, napakaganda na pwedeng mong gawin 'yun through the online app. Pero kung medyo old school ka at gusto mo talaga yung may nakakausap ka, no, na magko-confirm sa'yo na activated na yung card mo, pwede mo pa rin naman gawin 'yon via calling the customer service of Union Bank. Actually, I have multiple credit cards na rin naman pagdating sa shopping and sa dining, no? Pero for this credit card, since no annual fee naman siya, so it doesn't really hurt, no? Na magkaroon ka ng extra credit limit, di ba? Available credit limit, kung wala ka namang annual fee na binabayaran. Pero syempre, para makuha yung no annual fee for life, tandaan nyo, no, na may spending requirement na 20,000 pesos within 60 days. Okay, so hindi rin siya automatically wala siyang annual fee. So mag-isip-isip din kayo mabuti. And if you're interested to apply, no, for this credit card, check nyo lang syempre yung link natin from Moneymax sa description. So kung matatandaan niyo dito sa video na to, in step by step natin paano mag-apply for this credit card using the MoneyMax link. So unfortunately, since I'm not new to bank sa Union Bank, no, kasi may existing Union Bank credit card na ako, I don't think may matatanggap akong welcome gift sa kanila. Pero okay lang din naman. Kaya kayo sa mga interested na mag-apply for this credit card, Union Bank Reward Credit Card, tas wala pa kayong existing na Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, napakaganda mag-apply via MoneyMax kasi makakatanggap ka ng welcome gift. So kayo guys, kung meron man sa inyo na meron ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card or kung ano man yung comment niyo about this credit card, comment nyo sa comment section sa baba. And that's pretty much it, no? That's the Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So basically, kung may mga tanong pa kayo about this credit card or the process of application, the process of delivering the credit card at iba pa mga question about this credit card, i-comment nyo lang sa comment section. So by next month, mag-try naman tayo ng ibang credit card, no? Applyan natin online and hopefully ma-approve. At pag na-approve, i-unbox din natin katulad nito. And that's it guys, no? I hope nagustuhan nyo itong video natin, yung ating unboxing nitong Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So hopefully, by next month, magkaroon tayo ulit ng another unboxing kapag na-approve tayo kasi pag na-decline, wala tayong i-unbox. And yun lang guys, no? Please hit the like button kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to and of course, share this to your friends. Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.